Ever wondered what your body is really made of? It's more than just skin and bones, it's a complex combination of muscle, fat, water, and bone. This intricate tapestry of elements is what we call body composition. Body composition, in its simplest form, is the ratio of lean body mass to fat mass. Now, lean body mass isn't just muscle, it includes water, organs, and bones. Fat mass, on the other hand, includes both essential fat, which your body needs for normal functioning, and stored fat, which is the excess fat stored in your body. You see, when people say they want to lose weight, what they really mean is that they want to improve their body composition. They want to decrease their fat mass and increase their lean body mass. And that's where understanding body composition becomes critical. So, what's the big deal about body composition, you might ask? Well, it's more than just about looking good, it's about being healthy. Having a healthy body composition reduces the risk of diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. It also improves athletic performance, boosts metabolism, and increases energy levels. To sum up, body composition is the breakdown of what's inside your body. It's the ratio of lean body mass to fat mass. It's not just about the number on your scale, but about what makes up that number. It's about understanding that losing weight doesn't necessarily mean becoming healthier. Body composition is a critical component of overall health and fitness. It's a more accurate measure of fitness than weight alone. It's about striving for a healthy balance, not just shedding pounds. Remember, it's not just about being skinny, it's about being healthy. So the next time you think about losing weight, think about improving your body composition instead. It's a journey, not a destination. It's about making small, sustainable changes that will lead to big improvements in health and well-being. So keep moving, keep pushing, and keep striving for a better, healthier you. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about what you look like on the outside, it's about what you're made of on the inside. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Until next time, stay fit, stay healthy.